Stop letting modern stress control your body. There's a better way to ritualize your calm. Caffeine gives you jitters, and burnout drains your vital energy. You need true systemic balance, not artificial spikes.
Discover our ultimate Ayurvedic fusion, antioxidant green tea for deep hormonal harmony, and zesty lemongrass for smooth digestion. Clean energy, zero jitters, pure botanical alignment. Tap below to elevate your daily ritual. Ashwagandha herbal tea from Teasana. Your daily dose for hormonal balance and reproductive health.